Hi there, and let's look at this topic of one variable equations in short. Now, what do we mean by a variable and how do we define a variable? So if I say that you have got certain number, say $5 in your pocket, I know that you have got $5 in your pocket, but if I also don't know and you also don't know what is there in your pocket, then you consider that number to be a certain number which is equal to x. So x becomes a variable, a value which changes with time, which changes with situations. Okay, so then you will be given certain situations and then you are asked to find the value of x. That constitutes a one variable equations. Now to exemplify this, me and you don't know. Or now let's change the situation, and you know that you have got certain money with yourself, but you want to test me, right? So if you say that if you add $5 to whatever I have got, then I'll have $8 with me, right? Then what will be the value of money which I have got in my pocket right now? So what we can say is to find the value of x, what we can do is you perform similar operations on both sides so that one side has only x in it. So if x plus 5, if you subtract 5 from it, both sides, you get 8 minus 5. It is 3. So x plus 5 minus 5 gets cancelled, x equal to 3, which means you have got $3 in your pocket. Similarly, if I say it's like a situation, if I give you another situation that I've got certain money in my pocket and 4 times of that money added to say 9 becomes $17. So whatever I have got, if I make 4 times of that and add 9 to it, I have $17 in my pocket. So initially, how many dollars I have got in my pocket? How do I calculate this? So X is like what we can say a very nauseating kind of person, right? And he wants to free himself from all these people, 9 and 4. So what we can do in reality, we should not do like this. This is for beginners. Now we should take it to the next level. What we can do is whenever we perform operation from one side to free this X, to freeze this grumpy person x, what we can do is we shift the variables from one side to other side, and in effect we change the sign as well. So we can say that 4x, and you shift this 9 to the other side, so it becomes 17 minus 9. So if it is plus this side, it transforms to minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. 4x means 4 times x. So 4 times x is equal to 8. So now this guy x wants to be alone. So what we can do is you say 4 times x is alone. When you shift this 4 to the other side, becomes 8 divided by 4, which is equal to $2. So I can say that yes, initially I have got $2. So in effect, how to solve equations in a very simple way? If there's a sign of plus and minus, it goes to the other side, becomes minus and plus respectively. If it is division sign on one side, it becomes multiplication sign on the other side. If it is a multiplication sign, it becomes a division sign on the other side. All the while you have to do is to free this nauseating neighbor from your clutches. So what you have to do is free this person from your clutches. What we can do is to free this x, what we can do, you take this 9 to the other side, so change sign here. You take this 4 to the other side, so change sign here, and you solve this equation and you get the value to be $2. So this is how we solve one variable equations. Now remember, two kinds of problems might be asked. It's a straightforward question that what is x plus 5 is equal to 8, or then the question will be given in the form of a situation where you are asked about a certain situation that you have got 4 times of that money and you add 9 to it and you get the value to be 17, and then you will be asked what is the value of money that you have got in your pocket, right? Solve this the way I solved it here, right? And you will be easily sailed through all the problems of one variable equations. Thank you. Wonderful teaching you. Hopefully we will do some more good things in our next class. Thank you so much.